Here we go again, another 2012 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair conversion van. Beautiful, beautiful van, black, gray leather inside, side entry, 2-post lift, 600-pound capacity, lowered floor, 6-way transfer seat, electric doors, side entry, full power doors, side entry lift. It's got 113,000 original miles. The van is in excellent condition, no rust, gorgeous condition, black, no accidents, clean Carfax. Shows absolutely beautifully. Fully loaded leather, 6-way B&D transfer seat. I'm going to give you the full tour here. Give us a call if you have any questions. 954-561-2499. Happy to help. Supreme Motors USA. SupremeMotorsUSA.com.net. Either one. Give us a like, give us a follow, please. When we reach 10,000 subscribers on all platforms, we will give away a handicap van. Yes, you heard that right, but we need likes and follows. We got to get there. We've been in business 46 years. We can ship anywhere in the world. We try to buy and provide the best quality vans we can find. We specialize in these handicap vans, wheelchair vans, full-size conversion vans, any specialty autos. Give us a call anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. I'll give you the full tour here. It's a beautiful van. Hardly anything to point out. There's some very tiny little bug chips in the hood. It's laser straight down the sides. Never been in an accident. Nice tires. No rust. Beautiful alloy wheels. Super duper nice. Just turned 113,000 miles. The e-brake is on. You do need the e-brake pressed in order to use the wheelchair lift. I'm going to run you through all of the options. It is a fully lowered floor. It's got all your manuals, leather seating, rear folding bench seat bed, got your wood grain. Super, super nice van. Runs and drives beautifully. The paint shines beautifully. This van shows super nice. Take you through the whole entire thing here. Got electric doors. It's a folding bench seat. It is a manual folding bench seat. I'll show you how that works. Pretty simple. Carpet's in nice shape. It's got some stains just from, you know, normal wear and tear, but overall it is very nice. Appears to be non-smoking for sure. Super, super clean inside and out. Does have a 6-way transfer seat, like I said. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are happy to help at any time. Got your transfer seat here. Up, down, left, right. The great part about this transfer seat, they installed it properly. Usually it will push up against the pillar. This one does not hit the pillar, not causing damage to the seat or anything. This van does have the hard rubber floor. It did have an easy lock installed. It does come with the easy lock mechanism. It is not installed at the moment. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help. We accept trades. We can ship to anywhere in the world. You just flip that and it's up. You just push up here at the bottom and it goes up or down just like that. Awesome setup, lays all the way flat. The best part about this van is fully wireless setup too. Got 2 keys, remotes, remote starter. It's got everything you need to operate and use this van all by yourself. 5.4 liter V8. 954-561-2499, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Let us know what you got if you want to trade, if you need shipping. We go through and fully check every single van we buy and sell. We try to do the best we can. We got 5-star reviews. That's all we do. Don't hesitate. Call us anytime. We're happy to help you. I'm using the wireless remote. You also have a pendant by the door, and you also have a controller by the driver's seat. Electric doors. Awesome setup. These are very hard to come by nowadays. They just don't make them anymore. Everything works and operates as it should, as you can see. Just want you to get the whole idea here. Don't hesitate to call us, text us, email. We're happy to help at any time. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Give us a like, give us a follow. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Love to hear from you. We appreciate any questions or comments that you might have. Super, super nice, man. There's just not much for me to point out as far as flaws. It's